Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I hope everybody is doing well on this Wednesday morning. It's so great to be alive, and thank God that we are there today and seeing another lovely day, good bright day in America. So friends, how have you all been? How was your weekend? And Monday, Tuesday, week started so fast and the days are going so fast, and children will now be going to school in August 17th. So days are going really quick, friends. So you will be needing more of breakfast items and breakfast things, and food items will become more, and there'll be again a problem what to cook. So friends, today I've come with an again easy tortilla recipe. It's fried tortillas and it's called puri. And I've even showed you how to make potato fries the home way and your own kitchen, which is more healthier, freshly made, washed, cleaned, and we know how easy and quick it is to make. Everybody will have potatoes in their house, everybody will have flour in their house and oil in their house. You don't need much. So let's get started, friends. Cup of whole wheat flour, cup of all purpose flour, spoon of aniseed. Just crush it with your palms and let the flavor sink in. You get a very good aroma if you do that. Half spoon of salt, semolina, pouring little water, and start kneading, and put two spoons of oil. Just 2 spoons of oil so that the dough can be soft. 2 spoons. Start kneading slowly and start to make dough like this, and collect it by pouring very little water till it doesn't become a, so it should neither be soft nor hard. It should be like right proportion of making a tortilla, so that this will be fried tortillas in oil. It's already kneaded. It's neither too soft neither too hard. So this is how the consistency should be. Now we'll start rolling it and putting it in oil. I just took one big potato. I'm slicing it up after washing it and patting it dry off so that we can make little potatoes with this fried tortilla. The potato so well that there's no much of moisture left. I patted it dry again. So I have just added some potatoes in here. Now it will start cooking by itself, and the oil is very hot, as you can see. Just let it sit, and just do it upside down. Friends, it's turned crispy brown. So now we'll take it out on a tissue, on a towel, paper towel. And I'll do the second batch also the same way. Just put it in here. See friends, all the potatoes have been taken out and all the oil is free now. Just put it on this paper. Friends, I'm putting the second batch now slowly. Be careful of the oil because it can splash on, because it splashed little on the phone. So be careful, friends. Ouch. Yeah, just bring it in the middle so that it will get fried evenly. Just keep turning and twisting because the oil is very hot. Okay friends, I'm taking out. See how it floats. Once it's cooked, the indication is that it starts flowing up. You can medium sized kneaded flour balls, and you can start rolling with the rolling pin, and just, this will be a little sticky, but we'll have to add very little of flour because otherwise the oil becomes very bad. But you can add only once, and it will not be as big as a tortilla, but we'll have to do medium size and a small size. Now I put it slowly in the oil and it will sink down. Then it will start bubbling. I add some salt for seasoning. Then I add some paprika. See friends, how good they look. You can just tear your tortilla, fried tortilla like this, and just take it and eat it, friends. Here you go. So the oil, it's become very cloudy and full of flour inside it. So never use this oil, reuse it again. If it is mustard oil, you can use it, but you should never use refined oil, canola oil or any other oil. Mustard oil is the only oil which can get reused again and again. You saw how easy it was to make puris, fried tortillas in oil. Children enjoyed, my family enjoyed. It was the best breakfast after 2 years. I think this breakfast I had it in my mom's house in Bangalore, India. So it was nice and my children loved this food so much and they were so happy that I could make potatoes fries for them. They never miss McDonald's fries at all because I give them this fries and they are more healthier, tastier. So friends, it is little unhealthy breakfast today with the fried tortillas which we call puris and potatoes, but it was yummy. And now I only have to cook some dinner, and dinner will be an easy peasy one. So friends, if you liked it and haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment. I'll be glad. And if you want me to make any new recipe or any other Indian recipe or something again blending in different recipes, let me know friends. I'll come up with those recipes. Till then, love you all lots and signing off. Bye. Have a great day.